Good morning, children. Today, let us begin lesson number 16, our surroundings. Children, what do you understand by surroundings? Our surroundings include the air, water, land around us, in our homes, our neighborhood, and even our school. So, whatever things are there around us, we call it as our surroundings. This surrounding plays a very important role in our lives. We all like to live in a clean, ventilated house, isn't it, children? When we do not open our windows, we feel suffocated. So, we need to open the doors and windows in order to get proper ventilation in our rooms. In the same way, the environment around us must be kept clean. Even if you have opened your doors and windows, but if your room is not clean, you will not like this environment. It is important to live in clean surroundings for leading a healthy life and to avoid sickness. Children, look at this picture. You will see that there is proper ventilation in the houses and the roads are neat and clean. Trees are all around, park is also there, it is also clean. So, all of you would like to visit to this place. Nobody likes to visit to dirty places, isn't it, children? So, we should keep our surroundings neat and clean. Importance of a clean environment. Cleanliness plays a very important role in keeping us healthy. We take a bath, brush our teeth, wear clean clothes every day. A healthy body also needs a clean environment. Dirty environment, you all know, will attract the flies and mosquitoes, and it is going to affect our health too. Thus, hygiene and sanitation plays a very important and vital role in our life. Dirty surroundings help in the growth of germs that causes diseases like cholera, typhoid, and dengue. Dirty, stagnant water is the breeding ground of mosquitoes. So, we should cover all the water bodies in our home too. Mosquito causes malaria. This you all know, children. So, we should avoid any dirty water collection in our homes and in our surroundings. Children, just look at this picture for few seconds. I hope nobody will like this picture. We should always avoid throwing our waste materials on the ground. We should throw it in the covered dustbin. materials. What is waste? Waste refers to those things which have no use and are not needed anymore. It can be in solid or liquid form. Almost all our daily activities produce some waste which is thrown away into the garbage can or waste bin. Isn't it, children? Now, let us learn about types of waste. All the waste that we generate can be divided into two types: biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Children, now let us learn what is biodegradable waste. Fruits and vegetable peels, old clothes, fallen leaves, old newspapers, and leftover food decay and degrade and become the part of the soil. These wastes are called biodegradable wastes. These wastes, whenever you are throwing it away, it will mix with the soil. So, they are not harming the environment. Look at this picture. You might get foul smell out of it, but they are not bad for our environment. These rotten things will also mix up in the soil. That is why these are called biodegradable wastes. Now, children, let us learn non-biodegradable waste. Polythene bags, plastic objects, aluminium or metal, etc., which do not decay or degrade easily, are called non-biodegradable waste products. They are very harmful for our environment. Look at these plastic bottles. They will never mix up with the soil. So, these are very harmful for our environment. Plastic bags. So, we need to get it recycled. Instead of throwing it in open, we should always recycle non-biodegradable waste. I hope, children, you have understood the types of waste. Let us revise it again.
Waste can be broadly categorized under two types, namely biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable waste. Examples include vegetable and fruit peels, food scraps, paper, plant or grass trimmings, dry leaves, sewage, etc. These wastes break down and get decomposed by the action of microorganisms on them. Thus, what was obtained from the soil gets returned to the soil without any negative consequences. Non-biodegradable waste. Examples include plastics, nuclear waste, electronic trash, batteries, wall paints, varnish, motor oil, pesticides and chemicals, construction materials, tires, etc. These wastes cannot be broken down and thereby do not get decomposed. As such, they pile up and spoil the fertility of the soil. Worse, some of these waste are known to emanate harmful radiation into the atmosphere, thereby degrading the environment. It is important to note that burning these wastes release poisonous gases and therefore pose significant hazard to life and environment.
I hope, children, you have understood that why it is important to make our environment neat and clean and what are the different types of waste. Thank you, children, for watching this video.